Hi! In front of me is Motorola RAZR 30, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off app notifications. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and tapping on Notifications over here. Following that, select App Settings at the top. Click on Most Recent and tap on the best option for you. In my case, All Apps. After that, tap on the blue switcher next to one of your apps from which you want to block notifications. You can turn them back on by tapping on the same, now grey one. If you want to, you can also just tap on one of your apps located on the left and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!